Hello, and welcome to the official SellerMagnet onboarding video. Thank you for choosing SellerMagnet. Today, I'll give you a brief overview of how to set up your account so everything is perfectly aligned with your needs. If you've successfully connected your Amazon account, you will automatically arrive on this page. This is the loading screen. In the background, SellerMagnet is now importing all of your orders, products, expenses, and inventory data. Depending on the amount of information, this process may take some time, anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. Once the import is complete, you'll receive a notification by email. You can also monitor the progress at the top of the page, where a progress bar will show you the current status of the data loading process.
So, once you receive the email confirming that your account has been successfully processed and is ready to use, you will be automatically redirected to this page. This is your dashboard home section. Here, you'll find all key metrics, visualizations, and performance graphs at a glance. In this video, we'll briefly walk through each widget and feature. For those who want to explore specific functionalities in more detail, separate dedicated videos will be available. Let's begin with the Today widget. This provides a quick overview of your sales performance for the current day, including total orders and refunds. Below, you'll find the order type chart, which displays the percentage split between your FBM and FBA sales. To the right, you'll see a comprehensive sales graph. This combines your sales history with profit calculations and key metrics over your selected time frame, such as orders, refunds, margin, and your ROE. ROE may currently display 0 if cost settings have not yet been fully configured. At the top of the dashboard, you can filter results by marketplace and adjust the time frame as needed. Next, we have the Seller Performance section. This is automatically fetched for the default marketplace you selected during the initial connection, but you can easily change this in your settings. Here, you'll see your overall seller score. By selecting Details, you can view key performance metrics, including the on-time delivery rate, valid tracking rate, and order defect rate, as well as a 30-day performance overview. Below this, you'll find your return rate widget. It provides a summary of how many returns you received during the selected time frame and the average refund amount. Next is your Reviews section for the selected marketplace, such as Amazon Germany, showing your current rating and review score. Below that is the Amazon Payouts widget. Here you can see your next expected payout date and amount. By opening the detailed view, you can access your payout history, review open and closed transactions, and track amounts in your preferred currency. Further down, you'll find the Order Overview widget. While a more detailed orders page is available, this section gives you a quick snapshot of what's happening right now. To the right is the Breakdown panel. If no specific order is selected, it defaults to showing all orders combined. This breakdown displays expenses, VAT, fees, and other costs deducted to calculate your net profit. It also includes your general Amazon expenses, which you can choose to include or exclude from the profit calculation in your settings. Within this section, you'll also see all Amazon-related fees, such as referral fees, refund deductions, and shipping commissions. To inspect a specific order, simply select it from the list. In this example, cost of goods and an FBM shipping rule have already been added. FBM sellers must configure their own shipping rules and prices, while FBA shipping fees are automatically fetched from Amazon. Here you can see the Amazon cost of goods, the FBM shipping cost, and the automatically calculated referral fee. Once general expenses are included, you'll also see the final net profit for this order. Additionally, this section highlights which orders or products are still missing cost of goods, giving you a quick shortcut to update them. To create or edit shipping rules, go to the Settings section. In the left menu, select Shipping. Here you can create a new shipping rule by setting a rule name, choosing the currency, selecting the country it applies to, and defining a minimum quantity. This allows you to build tiered rules. For example, if a customer orders 2 units and requires a larger package, you can add a second rule with a different cost. If the quantity exceeds the previous rule, SellerMagnet will automatically apply the next matching tier. After saving, your rules will appear in the list, showing the country codes and assigned prices. You can assign these rules directly from the dashboard, but it's often more efficient to manage them in bulk via the product section. Here you'll see an overview of all your products across all marketplaces. Use the filters at the top to narrow down results. You can select multiple products to apply shipping rules in bulk, or choose a single product to edit individually. The same applies to cost of goods. To add or update cost of goods, go to Manage Batches. Create a new batch by entering the batch name, unit quantity, net cost per unit, and optionally add taxes, shipping costs, payment fees, customs, or other costs per unit. You can also set the arrival date. If you purchased multiple batches at different times and prices, simply enter them here. Calculations will automatically follow the FIFO, first in, first out method. Once you save the batch, the system will calculate the average cost per unit and use it for profit calculations.
Once you have completed the setup in the product section, there is one final step to ensure that everything is fully aligned and calculated accurately. SellerMagnet allows you to set general expenses, which are costs outside of Amazon. For example, utility bills or software subscriptions that you may want to include in your profit calculations. To configure these, go to the Expenses menu on the left side. Here you will see an overview of all your expenses. Since we haven't added any yet, click Add Expense. In this menu, you can enter a custom expense name, such as My Expense. You can set the start date, choose the specific connection if you have multiple accounts, and select the duration type, whether the cost is a one-time expense or a recurring one. You can also assign an expense category, link it to a specific marketplace, and finally enter the amount and currency. After submitting the expense, it will appear in the overview list. From now on, it will be directly included and calculated within your profit overview. Now that the manual setup is complete, let's double-check your general settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Go to Settings, then General Settings. Under Dashboard Settings, you can choose your default currency. SellerMagnet stores daily currency exchange rates, allowing all sales data to be converted into your preferred currency. In this example, Euro is selected. You can also set your default language. This ensures that emails, notifications, and the entire dashboard are displayed in your chosen language, such as German, English, Italian, Spanish, French, or Polish. Next, review the general costs per order setting. If you enable this, SellerMagnet will automatically include your general Amazon expenses, such as subscription fees and FBA storage fees, into your profit overview. This depends on your preference. In this example, the setting remains enabled. Below that, you will find a cosmetic option, Include shipping in sales volume. Amazon typically displays revenue including the collected sales tax and shipping amount. If you want to match Amazon's displayed figures, you can toggle this on. Whether it is on or off does not affect profit accuracy. It only changes how your total sales volume is shown. Next, check your VAT settings. This configuration depends on your specific tax situation. You can choose between EU OSS VAT, Firm VAT, or Amazon Automatic VAT. Once you select the correct option, the page will refresh and all values will be displayed in accordance with that configuration. There is one more important section to review: connections. SellerMagnet supports multiple connections, and you can switch between them from this menu. Here you can define the VAT rate on fees. For example, Amazon Germany applies VAT on top of their fees, so you can set this to 19% to ensure it is correctly included. You can also change your default marketplace here. This ensures that widgets such as seller performance and reviews display data for the marketplace most relevant to you. Lastly, you can request historical data. To increase accuracy and improve your overall experience, you can select a time frame and request older data. SellerMagnet will import this information in the background, enriching your insights and supporting better learning for our tools. This completes the introduction to the initial steps required to set up your SellerMagnet account and align everything to your needs. We will provide a full playlist of deep dive videos for each feature and menu for those who want to explore the platform even further. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. If you need any additional help, simply book an onboarding call from the menu. We'll be glad to guide you through everything.